range of the ear. So range basically represents the values over which you can perceive. Range of the ear meaning the range of sound waves which you are capable of hearing. In terms of frequency, like we already know, it is between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Intensity, like we saw, the minimum is 10 raised to minus 12 watts per meter square. This was the threshold intensity I0, which we just discussed a while ago. And the maximum is 10 watts per meter square. So this is the intensity corresponding to the loudest sound you can hear. So if a sound exceeds this intensity and you happen to hear that, it will lead to deafness, temporary or permanent. And pressure, again, because sound is a wave and any wave is basically traveling by pushing through the air column, so it has pressure. And that minimum pressure, the pressure of the minimum wave which is audible is 20 micropascals and the maximum is 200 pascals. Again, based on this, using this formula, you can calculate the minimum loudness and maximum loudness using either the intensity or the pressure. Clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and again, these threshold of hearing and pain change over the lifespan based on aging and misuse. That is what. So the minimum and maximum values which you can hear, the values given here are for a normal human ear. So based on your age and based on how much your job entails your using headphones or loud noise, based on exposure, these values will change from person to person. Moving on, this is not important. Log is just to tell you that you saw this log in this formula. So that slide is just to tell you why log is used. It is just to convert a multiplicative factor into an additive factor, meaning it just scales down your values, because intensity, like we saw, it starts from 10 raised to minus 12 and goes up to 12. So that's almost a 10 to the power 12 times increase. So you can hear something from this extreme, 10 raised to power minus 12, also this extreme. So that's a huge range of values we are dealing with. So for computational simplification, we convert it to log so that it becomes easier to represent it on a graph or to perform mathematical computations on it. That's that. And yeah, I'm not going to discuss the problems now. You guys can look into it and get back to me.